Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at my iPhone collection. Now, there are a few boxes that aren't here. There's also a few phones that aren't here, but I'll talk about those here in a second. So we're going to start down here with the 3G and work our way all the way up to the 10R. Okay, so the first one here is an iPhone 3G. You can see 3G right there on the side. I do not have a 3GS, but I have this 3G. And this is, of course, the first phone that I ever got into this collection. You can see it's an 8GB model on AT&T. Now, all these phones do still work, and I believe they all still have the original cables and stuff that came with them, but here is the iPhone 3G. Check it out. I love this design. It's a really nice design here. A little dirty, but I'm gonna get that cleaned up one day. But yeah, here it is. It's in black, and it's hard to believe that this is what we used to use all the time. Completely dead right now, it looks like. And we can go ahead and dive into the box a little bit more. You can see all the original paperwork with it, 3G, the fingertips they used to give. And it's kind of crazy because the fingertips back in the day were ridiculous. Look at this, front and back. But yeah, I mean, this was just such a popular phone back in the day. And a lot of people, you know, having to learn how to use them for the first time. So I guess that's why they did that. I don't think they included Apple stickers with these. I don't remember. But that's all the papers that I have for it. And I'm not sure where the SIM ejection tool is either, but of course it also came with that. You can see it's a little beat up, ain't it? Charging brick right here. This is the original one, and I don't know where the cable is. I'm sure it's in my drawer right over here, but this is kind of neat though. As you can see, the original headphones never unwrapped. So there those are. Definitely we're not unwrapping those. But yeah, that's about it for the 3G. Go ahead and put it all back in the box. And there we go. There's the iPhone 3G. Next up here we have the iPhone 4S. Now, this kind of design, the rounded edges, the more square look, that's probably one of my favorite designs. And I think the iPhone 5 is definitely my favorite iPhone out of all of them, to be honest. But here it is, the iPhone 4S, so the slightly faster version than the 4. And I always think this is pretty cool. Little iCloud sticker right when iCloud started coming out. But you can see iPhone 4S, all that. Now this one is a 16GB model on AT&T as well. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here's the 4S. Like I said, I just love this design. It's such an awesome design. I love it. You can see this one's a little beat up as well, but I mean, all these have been used, of course. But none of them are broke. I mean, they all turn on, they're all functional, just typical wear and tear on these phones. And this one's probably dead as can be as well, but yeah. But you can see a 30-pin connector, the dual speakers down there, volume, mute switch, you can see the antenna bands, headphone jack, lock button, camera. I love the glass back on these, very nice, completely glass. This is the black one, of course, as well. But yeah, there's the 4S, and then inside the 4S box, I don't know if this one's as complete. Yeah, this one isn't as complete, but I think it does have all the paperwork with it. Again, fingertips and the 4S, but you can see still a huge fingertips little thing here. But yeah, there's the 4S. Now here is the 5. Now I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but not all these phones were used by me. Some of them are other family members and stuff, but this is the first iPhone right here that I actually got, the iPhone 5. So this one is my phone, and I got it in the white, as you can see. And this one is a 16GB model as well. Now, I did have this one in a case the whole time, and you know, I did take care of it pretty well. Like I said, I think this is my favorite phone that they've made. Not because that this was my first phone, but I just really love this design. It's lightweight, it's really good to hold in the hand. And I just love this phone, I really do. But you can see I got the white one, so you have the white down here, but the silver backing. Still really good condition. Similar design to the 4, just a little bit taller, of course. Lightning connector down there. Headphone jack, speakers. White on the front. So yeah, there's that phone. Go ahead and take a look in here. All this is missing as well, but you can see you got much nicer headphones with the 5. But then the cable and everything, nowhere to be found. Let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, this is also interesting, the way this one opens. I forgot about that. Looks like we just have a quick start guide with this one. Which you can see, the quick start guide is slightly smaller. So they kept getting smaller and smaller over the years. Okay, so here is one of the iPhone 6. This one's not mine. I'm not sure where my box is. I know where the phone is, but I'm not sure where the box is. So this is another 6. Mine was white. This one's black, I believe. Which you can see, very interesting. No picture of the phone whatsoever. I'm glad they didn't continue to stick with this because I really didn't like this at all. But you can see we also started with just naming it iPhone. And that's a trend that continued all the way till today. It's still like this today. And this one also didn't have any Apple logos on the top or bottom. So they were trying some things with the 6, but you can tell that they didn't stick with it at all. Now this is the 64 gigabyte. Let's go ahead and open it up. And the iPhone 6 is another just fantastic design. I really liked it as well. But here it is, the iPhone 6 in space gray. You can take a look at the front. Very nice phone as well. I feel like this phone right here is the perfect size iPhone that they made. But just super thin, super nice. Headphone jack, lightning connector, lock button on the side for the first time. And yeah, really nice phone as well. Like I said, I don't know where mine is, or I don't know where the box is. I know where the phone is, but go ahead and hop in here and take a look. Definitely the biggest box so far as well, and you can see they definitely have to tell you right here. There's the new sleep wake button. And is that really all that came with this one? I'm not sure, but that's all I got with this one right here. You also started to get the ear pods with these, so the slightly nicer headphones came in their own case and everything. But yeah, so there's the iPhone 6. Now this one right here is my current phone at the moment, the iPhone 10. And like I said, current phone, but this box stays on my desk at all times. So here it is. You can see the design by Apple in California and the notch cut out, which is funny. But yeah, here's this. This was one of the nicer, like, quick start things here, but also one of the shorter ones. So you can see it shows you the side button, Face ID, and all that. This was definitely, and for now, one of the last, I guess you would say, huge design overhauls for the iPhone. You know, now you got like the 10R, the 10S, and even the new, what's it called, 11 and even the 11 Pro. I mean, they're the same design, just so I can't wait till Apple definitely comes out with an all new design like the 10, because that was the last revolutionary design. But here's the headphones again. You can see they did not come in a plastic case. I guess that's too expensive, right? Original power brick, still wrapped, as you can see. And the lightning cable, I definitely have that somewhere on my desk right now. But yeah, there's the iPhone 10. And by the way, it's a 64 gigabyte silver model. I really like the silver, the white back on the phone, so that's why I got it. And you can see a picture of the phone there on the front. Now finally we have the 10R. This is a 64 gig space gray, or I believe they're just called black. Yeah, they're just called black. So this is the black 10R. This phone's being used right now, so I don't have it with me, but basically the same unboxing experience as the 10. Looks like all the manuals are gone. Oh no, wait, there they are. They just weren't put in. There they are right there, as you can see. Hello. Same, literally the same as the 10, to be honest. But neat thing too, here's a SIM ejection tool. So yeah, I got one of those in a while with a phone. And then here is the original power brick, still wrapped up, and also the original headphones, still wrapped up as well. So pretty cool there. But yeah, SIM ejection tool is pretty interesting to come with this phone. But yeah, guys, that's basically going to do it for this video. I just wanted to show you the phones I currently have. If you want to see anything with any of these phones, just let me know in the comments below. I think it might be cool to do like a can you live with one of these older phones, like, I don't know, maybe the 5, the 4, the 3G, or just do a review of them here in 2019, almost 2020, can you believe that? But yeah, I think it'd be cool to, you know, do a kind of a throwback video. You guys seem to really like the throwback reviews that I've done on a couple of products here and there, so let me know, do you want to see videos on any of these phones? But for now, that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.